Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. We all need to pamper ourselves sometimes. How about a low-cost to do it yourselves egg facial with all natural ingredients? And of course, the humble egg is the star of the recipe. Egg yolk contain many different kinds of several vitamins that can help improve your skin's appearance. Want to firm up your skin and minimize your pores? The simple egg is the secret. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this amazing face mask and so simple recipe. All we need here is 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a few drops of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together and apply it on your face, and don't forget to clean your face before applying any face mask. Apply this mixture and gently massage your skin and let it for about 1 hour. Take steam and gently remove this mask with the help of a cotton swab or your fingers. After that, rinse it properly with warm water. There is no need to use a face wash. Pat dry with a soft towel and moisturize as needed. Try it twice a week or thrice a week. You will get an amazing result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.